Back to my channel. I finally went viral, y'all. I'm a little darker because I just got back from Florida. I had a tan. I finally went viral. If y'all can see, 3.3 million views. 3 million, no, 3.6. 3,600,000 views, 1,700 shares, 66K likes, and almost 1,988 comments. How much money have I made? I've made $100 fucking. $100. I found out about $100. Now it's conspiracy theory. This is conspiracy theory video. Okay, so mind you, 10 minutes before I record this video, I got a strike. Like, oh, this violates guidelines. I appealed it. It got approved. I said this last time, but I mean it now. Conspiracy is just not worth it. It's literally not. One, I go viral, I don't get any sales. I did boom boom, boom boom. It is, people were going viral boom boom before, but there's a guy who only does faceless conspiracy-esque videos for NeuroGum. It's the only product he's ever promoted. He just keeps spamming it. So maybe it does work if you keep going with the same product, but it's just not worth it to me. I have an account rating. They have a new account rating. You want to be over 200. I'm at 119. I was at 113 and it went up to 119, thankfully, because I'm making sales. I'm just hoping the views for this video push the views of my other videos. Now, I got 1,000 followers, so I went from like 500 and more like, no, 5,500 to like almost 6,400, okay? So that's good. But most of my sales are still from this product that the brand's running ads on. So I've been neglecting them because I want organic, but I'm about to spam this. I'm about to spam these female probiotics with other viral scripts. And then everyone's like, skincare, 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 but it just feels so unnatural. However, I got this turmeric face wash that I've been wanting. I don't really need it, but it helps with dark spots. Like if you like shave, when you shave down here, you shave your armpits, it helps with dark spots. I personally don't shave that often to prevent dark spots. So when I do shave, it's the same color as my skin. Again, I know it's hard. And then these glow gummies for the pearl powder with sea moss. So they're good for like the pearl powder is good for beauty benefits, and then obviously sea moss. So if I can find like face products that are like supplements or like face washes that I like instead of just like mask toners, whatever, I think I could spam skincare. So I do want to spam this. I think I am going to just storytelling like Susan. I was on one of her comments, Susan Luckhart. She just joined Allie. Susan's made $500K her first year. Okay, I'm saying she's making $1,000 days are her worst days. She said, you know what I'm saying, and they're selling like they're not doing word hooks on the screen, which I am so bad at. They're just doing good visual hooks, good verbal hooks. Maybe that's what it is for me, and building that like relationship with my audience on TikTok where it feels more like you're on FaceTime. Those are the girls who are printing every month. Like there are people who do, like Fast Track Girl Kiara said, and Melina, the group of men, Kaylee, the group of men, Melina and Kaylee are in the same group. Dom and Ava are in the same group. They swear by visual hooks, all of them. I mean, written hooks, all three. They swear by all three. But there are people who aren't doing it. So I'm about to study Susan and study. It's just hard because a lot of those women. Actually, I think Susan does a lot. She does gadgets, clothes. I think Susan does everything, honestly. So I'm about to study her. But I feel like we're gadgets and supplements, like the whole like salesy. I feel like it reads really well with clothes and makeup. You know what I'm saying? Which most women do, and most women buy from other women, especially clothes because they can see how it fits. People swear don't do clothes, don't do da. But those are products like you're using makeup and clothes that if you see on someone's body, you can guess how it will look like on you. Like this girl is shorter than me and smaller than me, so I just need a large. She's a medium. Like people can see that, and people swear don't do clothes. Even though I was dropshipping, don't do clothes. I had a clothing brand. Everyone's like, don't do clothes. And I'm like, do what you want, and it might be a little harder, a little less. It depends on what relates to you. Like some things can be harder to you that's easier for someone else. So I did go viral. It's not worth it. Honestly, just I'm gonna try just being salesy because, like I said, some people like being sold to. Like Shelby. Shelby is the lady who did 6K her first month, 20 her second. She's been doing 20 to 40 ever since. She hasn't had a bad month, and she just does clothes. She did admit, unlike other people, she's like, I'm cute, I'm petite, I'm white, I'm pretty. Thank you. But she just have an energy about her. She's like, she talks, and everyone's like, don't sound too unauthentic. Like, hey, hi, blah blah blah. People like that. Like, People like that who want to buy, and then you build an audience where people know. Like when you know, like now I know when I go to Shelby's page, I know I'm looking at. When I go to Allie's page, I know what I'm looking for. I don't even wear makeup, but I know when I go to Allie's page. That's what, like you know what you're going for those pages, even though she does person stuff too. But they also sell in a way that feels just. Shelby more so just sells. She even says it in her live. She's like, I just sell, and people want to buy from me, and they do. So like all that shit is made up. Do what feels right for you. If you feel like you can be salesy, do it. So people tell me story time. I like story time, but I don't like figuring out how to keep people engaged. I want to just yap like this. I want to just yap like this. But I need to like cut a fruit or like one the other day I wasted a bagel making an insane sandwich, and a few people said, "Hey, that sandwich is insane," but a lot of people didn't even acknowledge the sandwich. You see what I'm saying? Like it's just like having to like you can just talk it to like do something like doing your hair. I usually oil my hair when I'm doing them, and they're usually does pretty good. And I need to oil my scalp right now, so I thought about doing a video, but I'm gonna oil my scalp and do it again tomorrow. I don't care. Um, but oiling my scalp seems to be doing really well. Like I don't know. I guess people don't know. People don't show themselves oiling their scalp, so whatever. And yeah, but that's where I'm at. I want to study Susan and study Allie and really just lock in on that kind of content. I'm bad with written hooks anyway, so it's not really helping my video at all. My visual hooks got so much better, and then my verbal hooks were always good. So I'm already 2 for 3. I still will try some, but just lock in on all the moms who I see. I did 20K, 30K. Yeah, it did take them longer. Some of the guys who do the conspiracy, they might have gotten viral and made sales a little faster. But when sales are down, they made $2 or they went viral, only made $20. These stay-at-home moms aren't doing that. I rarely see these stay-at-home moms on daily viral. I just saw Allie on the daily virals this week for the first time, but she's making 100K months. So like, what's the point here? You can't even tell if it's converting unless you see an app behind it. So it did help me with some ideas though. There are more non-conspiracy ideas on daily viral, so I have it for this month still. But just sell and be salesy in a way that's entertaining and have good energy. One girl said to have a bright background, like certain things like that, and or just tell stories. But conspiracy, all the extra editing and stuff, it's just not worth it. And then you can crank out so many more videos. These moms crank out 10 to 40 videos in like a day because they're just naturally saying, "Hey, if you have this problem, you need this product. I'm sad, da da da. My kids love it, da da da. Boom, 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 boom. Next video. Oh my God, this toner, blah 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 blah." And it's just quick, and they're knocking them out. Conspiracy takes me so long to do. I'm sorry to say, it takes so long to do. It does. I don't care what no one says. Even if you copy, I figured out a way to copy and it's fast. It still takes me like 45 minutes to do a conspiracy video. Like I just copy now from my computer from the original video. I don't find the clip on YouTube anymore. The video on TikTok, I screen record it on the computer with my phone, and then I crop it so it doesn't look like, because then it looks weird because like you see my laptop and then you see the laptop all in the frame of their TikTok. So I crop it either just their laptop to look against mine, or I crop it just to the screen. And yeah, go on from there. And then now I improvise. Oh, that's another thing. I used to copy word for word, and you have to just improvise completely. Same topic. Like if someone says, "Why haven't you seen Keith Lee on FYP?" Don't say the same thing, but definitely say a whole new version of words that says that. Like, did you know Keith Lee was blackballed because of this? Like, like you're saying something, but totally different because people have not been clocking it. Like, so TikTok gave you all the same script. TikTok gave you all the same script. And it's like, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it anymore. It's really not. And it's what it is. And I think those women who make money have curated an audience where you know what you're going when you go to their pages. You know what to expect when you go on their pages. And Susan's cool because she teaches on her TikTok shop page. Most people don't, they make a separate page. She teaches on her TikTok shop. So you'll get both. You'll get a little salesy video, or you'll get an actual dropping gems video, and they both perform really well. Like, she's goated with that for sure. A lot of people, it doesn't. Even when I try to teach or show like an accomplishment on my TikTok shop page, it doesn't do well. But if I post it on my trading page, because the Wealth Building Rockstar page, or this page, it does so much better. I know what it is, but also I haven't made like FU money yet. I appeal approved, good. I thought I was going to have a shitty day, but luckily I don't. It's at $20. It was at 1. Like, I don't mind like a 30. I try to get over 30, but I've been having 120s, 130s, 150s the last like 4 or 5 days in a row, which has been super good if I can scale that, like keep it going. But I am going to spam these because they're still running ads on my videos. They're still, I don't know, I feel a little iffy about this product. That's why I'm like, I'm going to spam Glow. I like the Almond Mom script, and I like to reword it. And there's one about these girls in Erewhon I need to do. And I found a clip to stitch of a girl eating matcha, but it looks like it's sea moss, and it's just so disgusting. In the turmeric soap, and then my magnesium. Because this is a brand deal. I need to do 30 to get my $300. I need my $300. So I need to spam this tomorrow. Like, these two really is like all the videos I need to make tomorrow. For real, for real. Now I'm thinking about it. And then I got a new tripod today and some more products downstairs I have to open up. I haven't posted this yet either. This skin repair. So these will be the videos I post tomorrow. But yeah, be salesy or just tell stories. Just don't try to do conspiracy and all this extra stuff. Do skits, but just do authentic, that things that feel authentic to you, and it will perform better. I promise you.